Good morning from Trinntorp in Tyresö, Trinntorpsbadet. This is, and today is 2nd of October 2025. Currently 10:56 a.m. and obviously I'm the only person on the beach because many people have already given up on the beach adventures, but I will be continuing with them. And the reason why I'm here, because over there is a ferry that will take me later to Rogrund, one of the most distant islands in the middle of the Stockholm archipelago, and looking forward to visit it for the very first time. It's a small island and I will be there for around 2 hours, which is more than enough to circle around the island and swim as well. But enough about that. Now we are in Tyresö, and yeah, I was expecting a bit more sun, but nevertheless, there won't be any sun on this beach because at this time of the year, the forest here is too high for the sun to come on the beach anyway. So maybe on the jetty it will be a bit sunny if it is, but on the island where I'm going, it's said to be sun almost always. So we're gonna find that out. So check out the next episode as well for that. Trinntorp is in Tyresö, and for me to get here we took 3 buses but all of the journeys were quite short, total of 1 hour. But if you're coming from Gullmarsplan, for example, it's only 2 buses. And I used to cycle to this beach, and I remember the last time I cycled here was with my cube that got shortly after that stolen. So I guess this was the last beach that my bike has seen, if I'm not completely mistaken. But enough about that. The water is so clean and clear, and it will be a nice swim for sure. I'm thinking it's gonna be around 15 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna find out that soon with my measurement as I'm showing you more of Trinntorpsbadet. And there's the sun over there. You see, it might be sunny only on the jetty if it is sunny later today. But and there's the boat stop that I'm gonna be going to later, and I have more than enough time even for a longer swim here at Trinntorp. I'm guessing, as I mentioned, it's around 15 degrees, and based on the measurement, oh, it is 14 degrees. So I was a little bit off, but still it is nice to enjoy a short swim, maybe 10 minutes, we shall see. So yeah, then let's get going and take a swim here at Trinntorpsbadet, one of the few sandy beaches in Tyresö. There is one more popular one that's called Tyresö Strand. It's closer to the center of the city and center of Tyresö, because from Tyresö Centrum to here it's around 15 minutes bus ride. And it's actually my first time since ages since I'm coming here by bus, as I usually cycle here. But now I'm very much acquainted to the public transport more, especially in the colder times like this. All right, so let's then get going and enjoy a nice swim. Here it is not that deep, so I will not jump. So we are then ready for a swim. Beach to number 131, is it? So ready, set, and go! Whew. That's amazing. That's brilliant. I love it. Pure sand here, super clean water, and we can see Solsidan on the other side, Tenaka. So I'm now gonna be swimming for 10 minutes here to enjoy a bit before my boat ride. So thank you so much for yet another beach adventure here from Stockholm. And Tyresö, I haven't been in Tyresö for a long time. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.